In this video we'll learn how can we go live on Facebook. That is, live means we are in connection, we are talking with our audience. So how can we go live on Facebook? So it is very much easy, guys. What you all need to do is, if you'll go a little bit down, you'll have an option here. Can you see? Create live. You have to just click on this option and you would be landed upon this page. Okay, so here on this page you need to do the appropriate changes that you need for your live. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is, on the left hand side you will see different options. Share to page you manage. Okay, now what do you mean by this? After this live, where this live video would be shared to your timeline, shared to page you manage, shared in a group. I'll keep share to page in a manage, share to page you manage. Okay, so I'll choose the option of share to page you manage, means the page I'm managing would be shared upon there. Now which page? Okay, which page do you want to share this? That is Big Wings. Now live video title, like for example I'm teaching something new, maybe that I can like new course. For example, I'm teaching something and I'm coming live to teach someone, to teach everyone on a topic. So for example, new course. Okay, I'm putting as a title. Now I can put some description over there about that course, maybe online course. Okay, so you have to firstly add where you want to share this and on which page you want to share this, plus what is the title and the description about your live video. There is a purpose when you are coming live. Okay, if you are just coming to have a friendly relationship with your audience, or you're promoting something, your product, you're promoting your product maybe, or you're teaching something, etc etc. So it's all depend on you. Why are you coming live? First you should understand what is the purpose behind coming live. You're not coming live just like that only. There's a reason why you're coming live. Either you want to create a friendly relationship, or you want to teach something, or you want to promote something, or you want to get a view of your audience, what they think about your brand and all of those things. Now you can go live. The first changes that you made were how you're going live, like where you want to share going live, then what is the description, what is the title, where you want to share it up, and all of those things. Now over here you will see get started. Choose how you want to start up your live video. Use stream key, use camera, use paired encoder. Now I'll go with use camera. Okay, so what you need to do is click on use camera and then you need to go live. Now this is all about the setup, what you need to do before going live, and at the end you have to just click on use camera, and here up you will find the option called go live. Okay, here you will find the option go live. Go live. That's what you need to do for going live. So going live is very much easy, but you should understand firstly the purpose why you're going live. So here we have made some changes where we want to share this, giving a title, which how we want to go live, like using camera, using stream key, etc etc. This is all about we are going live, and then what you need to do is click on this and you are being live with your audience. And on the right hand side, when you're going live, you will receive all the comments, what your audience are giving, or what your audience are replying to you, all the comments they are passing. So all the comments you will see on the right hand side, and seeing that comment you can just reply when you're talking. Okay, so that's all about going live. Now You can try this, guys. It is very much easy. Just go create live and some settings you need to do, that where you want to share these things and all about that. And then what you need to do in last is go live now, and you are live and you can just talk with your audience, and all the comments will be seen on the right hand side.